Hi, my name is Yaida Ford. I'm a civil rights trial lawyer, and today I'm going to talk to you about the second type of expert that you should have in a civil rights police misconduct trial, and that is whether the victim of the police violence is alive or deceased. This is a police practices expert. The police practices expert is the only one who can formulate an opinion during trial about whether the officer violated policies, practices, or procedures. This is important because as a lawyer, I can't testify about it. My client can't testify about it. The defendant surely isn't going to say that they violated a regulation or a policy. Only the expert can opine on this issue. And so when a police officer makes an arrest or they use force, there are different policies and procedures and best practices that apply to each and every action. The expert is going to analyze that information based on the internal investigation, based on body-worn camera footage, based on other testimony, deposition testimony that's been provided in the case, and say whether or not this officer deviated in any way from their training, from best practices, and from applicable policies and procedures. That's a police practices expert. I don't go into any jury trial or any courtroom without having a police practices expert to testify on whether or not the officer, the defendant in a civil rights trial, violated policies, procedures, or best practices. For more information or more tips, follow me.